Hi, this is Shane Vetter with Coldwell Banker Real Estate, here to announce a new open house this weekend from 12 to 2, both Saturday and Sunday. The new listing is 1816 East Vista Terrace in Lindenhurst, Illinois. The listing is listed for $400,000. It's a 4-bedroom, 3.5-bath home. It's a corner lot, almost a third of an acre. It has a fully finished English-style basement with a full bathroom in that basement as well. The primary bedroom has a garden-style bathroom. What that means to you is that it means it has a soaking tub and a separate shower. Now, this house has been taken care of, updated, and it's got stainless appliances, hard surface countertops. It's got it all for you. But here's the thing. You have to come to this open house. Right now, there's no showings over the weekend. You can bring your agent if you want to the open house. Again, this Saturday and Sunday through 12 to 2. Those are the only times this house will be available to come preview it for yourself. So please come out. If you want, give me a call. We can set up a private talk about the property as well at 815-701-7776. If you are an agent, though, and you want to talk to the listing agent, his name is Jefferson Weiss, and his phone number is right here on the sign, 312-560-1640. This house is in Auburn Meadows. It's prime. It's got parks galore around it. It's got nature, everything you want, close to shopping. It's in the Lake School District. It's a fabulous property. You need to come check this out this Saturday and Sunday from 12 to 2, 1816 East Vista Terrace. I hope to see you there.